So I'll be showing you how to change your name on Instagram. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is launch the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and on your profile page, tap on edit profile. And that's going to bring up the profile editor. And what you want to do is tap on the name section, and you can see that allows you to now change your name. Okay, now keep in mind that you can only change your name twice every 14 days, so make sure you don't change the name and then you want to change it like 5 minutes or 1 day later. So from here, just tap on that and the keyboard comes up and you can change the name and have any name you want on Instagram. Once you're done, tap on the check mark to save those changes. Now for me, obviously, I'm not going to change my name, but that's basically how to do it. Now, in case your Instagram profile has been linked to your Facebook profile and they're using the same name, then what you want to do is simply go to the profile icon and then tap on the three-line button in the top right. And once you get to settings, you should see account center at the top. So tap on that and then tap on profiles. And if your Facebook and Instagram accounts are merged, then you can tap on the name there. And from there, you can be able to change things like your name, and you can change your name from here. Okay. And that is basically how to change your name on Instagram. Now, it says if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So those are the rules on Facebook. In case your accounts are linked up, then you might have to use the Facebook rules. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.